भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
Morning everyone. The thought for the day is that the earth does not belong to us, we belong to earth. The meaning of the thought is that we should not think that the earth is our planet. We should think that we are children of the earth. I would like to repeat my thought. The earth doesn't belong to us, we belong to earth. Thank you and have a nice day.
If you are an intelligent person who is serious about planning your future and avoiding unnecessary suffering and loss, then this may be the most important video you may ever be watching. So please watch it till the end.
You might have heard the word global warming, but do you really know the meaning of it? Is it dangerous? And if yes, so how can we prevent it? So, to know the answer, you will have to watch our video till the end.
Global warming is the unusually rapid increase in the Earth's average surface temperature.
Over the past century, primarily due to greenhouse gases released as people burn fossil fuels.
Do you know India, which is the world's number 3 emitter of all greenhouse gases, has been under pressure to make the commitments after the top 2 emitters?
The global average surface temperature rose 0.6 to 0.9 degrees Celsius or 1.1 to 1.6 Fahrenheit between 1906 and 2005.
And the rate of the temperature increased in last 50 years. Temperatures are certain to go up further.
The top 2 emitters, China and the United States, agreed to new limits on carbon emissions starting in 2025.
Do you know that India, which is the world's number 3 emitter of greenhouse gases, has been under pressure to make commitments?
But Prime Minister Narendra Modi has signed it that he will not bow under foreign pressure and will instead focus on increased use of clean energy.
To fight the adverse effects of climate change, he wants to quintuple India's renewable energy capacity by 2020-22.
Of the world's top 20 polluted cities, 13 are in India compared to just 3 in China. Air pollution slashes life expectancy by 3.2 years for the 660 million Indians living in cities including Delhi.
In China, the corresponding leap is marginally lower at 3 years according to a report in Hindustan Times.
The Ganga and Yamuna rank among the world's 10 most polluted rivers. China has just one. An evaluation in February
ranked Vapi in Gujarat and Sukinda in Odisha among the 10 most environmentally degraded zones in the world. China had no entries on the list.
India's high air pollution have been ranked by the World Health Organization among the worst in the world. It adversely impacting the lifespan of its citizens, reducing most Indian life by 3 years, a new study has said.
One because of air pollution, which is worse now than it was 3 decades ago. Piling garbage in cities and increasingly toxic urban air.
The environmental crisis in India is multi-sided and multifaceted. We need to address these at different fronts and by a different variety of actors. We need to harness social and social scientific expertise to develop
And promoting eco-friendly technologies in water management, housing and transportation.
Scientific innovation needs to be complemented by its legislative changes as well as by its social behavior. So, let's take a pledge to save our environment. कृपया प्रार्थना की स्थिति धारण करें. ओम भगवते नमः. ओम सरस्वत्यै नमः. ओम पितृभ्यां नमः. ओम मातृभूम्यै नमः. हे ईश्वर, हमारा आज का दिन सभी प्राणियों की भलाई की कामना करते हुए उन्नति के पथ पर अग्रसर हो।